Peace, family. So I was recording, showing y'all the little artwork that we had. I forgot to mention the hoodie. Like, I'm gonna break it down. So, got we the cosmic lion. So you got the cosmic print of the lions of who we are. You got, first of all, I made this hoodie to match my boy, my dog. So you got the cosmic stripes of a lion, like how you see a lion fur. Cosmic stripes of it. Then I put like the different markings right here to symbolize protection, drawing that further energy of protection. Then you got the right here, you got the all-seeing eye. I forgot what size one, but you got the all-seeing eye, and it's just really revolving that further protection. Then you got, as we the cosmic lions, we really rulers of the planet, so it's showing that we are extending up into our truth, because we are the beings of the land. We are the indigenous people of the land. So you got the crown chakra energy at the back of it, symbolizing and showing the energies. Then you got divine markings, throat chakra energy, and you got this one symbolizing creation. If you see it, creation in itself. And yeah, we're gonna tap in further in making hoodies and just pushing them out, showing creation and how we can use our creative abilities to help excel each other, and not just worrying about going to other people and buying their stuff, when we could invest in ourselves, invest in other Black-owned business, just to invest in pushing our own creativity instead of that's going to the store and spend like $500 on some shoes and hoodies, when we could build up the small so we can give back to each other and work best like that. Peace and love, fam.